Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name's Jacob, and in today's video we're going to be showing how to install our brand new ditch bracket for the 3rd gen Tundra and Sequoia. So let's dive right in. First, you're going to need some lights. Here we are using the Flex Air 4s. Then you'll need your ditch brackets. Remember, the two mounting holes will always be facing towards the front of the truck with the wings faced towards the outside of the truck. You're going to need one open-ended 12mm wrench or ratcheting wrench. Then you'll need whatever wrench your light requires. For our Flex Air line, you'll need a 17mm. Grabbing some zip ties and some diagonal cutters is also a great idea. Go ahead and pop your hood so we can start the installation process. Locate the two 12mm hinge bolts here and here. The trick with any ditch bracket install is to make sure there is always one bolt in. Do not remove both bolts at the same time. Not removing them both will ensure you do not have to realign the hood. So start with removing the front bolt. Once the bolt is removed, place your ditch bracket like this and start tightening. Get it tight enough to stay in, but loose enough to swivel. Then remove the rear bolt. Swivel the bracket over the hole and drive that bolt back in, and get these nice and tight. As always, no need to go crazy with the tightening here, but make sure it is snug. Now move to the other side, remembering to only remove one bolt at a time. Now it's time to install your lights. This is a little different with every light, but here I am installing our Flex Air 4, my personal favorite. These use a carriage bolt design, so a good trick is to tilt the light back to catch the carriage bolt as you tighten it down. Aiming these comes down to personal preference, but I prefer ditch lights to be kicked out a good amount to really show the sides of the trail. Once your lights are installed, it's time to use our dedicated zip tie mounts. There's a total of 3 on this bracket, but I only found myself needing 2. First one is here, second one is here. Now once you run your wire, go ahead and connect your harness and you're all set. Enjoy your new ditch bracket. If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit that like button and consider subscribing. See you on the next one, and remember to adventure further.